All right, today we're gonna attempt to put this white Yoke steering wheel in today. So I gotta remove this old one and then put everything on this steering wheel and then install the steering wheel into the car. So you're gonna come with me today and we're gonna figure it out together. And hopefully at the end of this video, I have a white Yoke steering wheel installed. So let's do it. All right. We're gonna undo the airbag. There's like a spring in there and you gotta push it in. There we go. And now we gotta do it. All right, got it out. It's just this yellow clip holding into the steering wheel. And now I gotta break that nut loose. I believe it's a 10mm hex. I'll check. But yeah. After using a huge brake bar, finally got it loose. Yellow Loctite. All right, now I gotta swap over all of this shit to the new steering wheel. Because when I bought this steering wheel, the picture said it had all this shit in it already. They bamboozled me, so now I gotta swap it all over. All right, this thing was a pain in the ass, but I got it out. So what you do is, all right, so there'll be like two black clips, and you just push them in, push them in, push them in on this side, and you just pop them through a little bit. It's gonna come loose. It's gonna give you access to these T25s, I believe they are. There's one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there. Take them out, and then you slowly, carefully, just work that out after you get everything out. And it'll all come out together. I thought there was like some screws holding in or something. There wasn't. But yeah, it just took me a minute. Just take your time. It might feel like it's gonna break, and it probably could. Just be careful. So everything came out. And now I gotta take this spring out and put it in that shit. And then just put that in there. And then put everything else back in. All right, so I got this thing together. Fits pretty well for, you know, being aftermarket, using OEM parts. So now, got everything in, got those clips back in. It was way easier putting it together than it was taking it apart. Because now I know how it comes apart and goes together, so. Now I'm gonna throw it in the car, let's see if everything works. All right, let's put this new one on. Now I plug all this shit in. It feels crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my hands up and wipe down the steering wheel, wipe down everything, and then take you guys on a ride. It looks crazy. Like, I don't want to touch anything yet, even though I got everything dirty. All right. That's how it looks. I'm gonna go on a drive after I clean up, take a shower, and show you guys like a first person view maybe. It looks really cool with all the white. And I know it's gonna take a lot of getting used to driving with a yoke, but I'm sure I'll pick it up quick.